Yesterday, Miller High Life, a Molson Coors brand, announced an interesting new position. The beer maker is looking for a mayor of the, quote, Champagne of Beers region, and the region is oddly specific. Odd jobs work as PR stunts. Remember when Custom Cones USA offered a $70,000 salary for the, quote, ultimate stoner dream job, which is basically a content creator who smoked weed every day? They reportedly had so many applicants that they were overwhelmed by the response. Well, this one isn't as lucrative, but it would be a banger for the resume. The winner will be the candidate who, quote, best embodies the passion for high life and what it means to call the home of Miller High Life your own. The prize package is fine. For example, it includes an exclusive dinner for 8 at the Miller Caves, a historic part of the Miller Brewery that dates back to 1849. The winner also receives a pair of High Life t-shirts, 2 hats, and a $2,000 check to basically pay the taxes on the prize. The winner also walks away with 2 cases of High Life, which seems low? I feel like the mayor of the Champagne of Beers region should score a few more than 48 beers. Furthermore, the winner must also attend an honorary mayor inauguration at the Miller Visitor Center in Milwaukee on September 19th, or the prize will be forfeited in its entirety. All told, the mayor of the Champagne of Beers region will land a salary valued at about $6,500. Molson Coors is technically a sponsor, and Merkle, a company that specializes in digital marketing experiences, is running the show. To enter, you must live in one of about 86 zip codes, not mine, and be 25 years old or older. To win, you must not only be eligible, but also submit to a confidential background check. Miller needs to make sure the winner hasn't engaged in any brand-damaging conduct. They certainly don't want to trigger a negative viral response. Looking at you, Bud Light. The contest began yesterday at noon Central and will end on August 23rd at midnight. Each contestant must include an original essay, which is loose, given that it's 250 words or less, describing why they should be the mayor of the high life, as well as a photo of them living the high life. What would that be? Given that it's summer in Wisconsin, I figure it's some sort of tubing or pontoon-related photo. Oh, and none of it can be AI generated. Of course, there are a host of rules that you can break with this essay, but they seem straightforward. For example, you can't make any deceptive or unsubstantiated claims about Molson Coors products. You can't mention any brand or trademark not owned by the company, and you can even get DQ'd if you have unauthorized third-party content or art just in the background of your photo. The winner will be chosen by a panel of, quote, qualified judges who will score each submission based on the following: 50% passion for high life, 25% originality, stands out as memorable, and another 25% strength of argument. Why should you be picked over everyone else? Do you have what it takes to be the mayor of the Champagne of Beers region? Well, if you do, good luck.